How to register or create an account on Remitly. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Help Deck, and in today's video I will show you how you can create an account on Remitly so that you can send money to your friends and families outside of your country. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to register for Remitly, first make sure to download the Remitly app. In my case, I've already done so, I'll just go ahead and then open it up again. Once I open the Remitly application, you'll most likely see this kind of interface. Now if you already do have an account and if you've created one before, you could just tap on the I already have a profile button, which is at the bottom. But if you do not have a profile or the account, in order to register for it, tap on the blue button that says create a new profile. Once you tap on create a new profile option over here, it will basically tell us from where are you sending money to which country. So select your sending country as well as your receiving country over here. I'll just select a random one for the purpose of this video, but you can choose from which country you're sending and to which country you're actually sending from. And once you do so, you'll also see all of the payment methods that are linked with that specific country. And once you do that, tap on the next button at the bottom. Now another step is to simply choose your email address and your password. So go ahead and then make sure to choose an email address that you want to use for your Remitly account. After that, you can simply enter a password for yourself. Once you choose a password for yourself, if you're not sure what you've typed in, you can tap on the I button on the right hand side to figure out to do so. Or once you confirmed that you want to use these credentials, then you could tap on the join Remitly button. Once you tap on the join Remitly button, it will take us to a new page relatively that will ask us to enable a fingerprint or biometric verification. But I'll simply skip this. If you want, you can set up your fingerprint and everything, but I'll just select not now option over here. And once I select not now, it may ask me for other verifications in order to go ahead and then create my Remitly account. But now as you can successfully see that I have successfully actually created my Remitly account. If I want, I can go ahead and then verify my email and do more things. And that's all it takes to register on Remitly. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.